Dumating na. Ay, hirap buksan ha. Ayun. Paano siya bubuksan? Oh, yung cute ng lalagyan niya. How do we open this? Resealable. Ayos, sakto lang. Ang ganda sa kamay ko. Teka, pareho sila. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and God bless. And don't forget, God loves you, you're God's beautiful creation. Available on my TikTok shop. Yeah, ganda. Ayan, ang ganda. Adjustable siya, kaya kahit saan pwede mo suot.